Let's start with the Canadian dollar because this is where some of the biggest moves could happen. Right now, USDCAD is trading around 1.3860. If tariffs are struck down, analysts are forecasting a move toward 130 to 135. That's a potential 3 to 5% move in the Canadian dollar's favor, and it could happen quickly. Here's why this matters so much. Approximately 75% of Canadian exports go to the United States. These tariffs have been crushing that trade flow. Removing them would immediately restore billions in economic activity. If tariffs are ruled illegal, we'd see the trade uncertainty premium removed from the Canadian dollar. The Bank of Canada has noted that tariff threats have added to the foreign exchange risk premium, contributing to the loonie's weakness. We'd also likely see a relief rally in export-dependent currencies and a flood of investment capital that's been sitting on the sidelines waiting for clarity. Here's the scenario matrix for the Canadian dollar. If tariffs are ruled illegal, expect a strong rally. USDCAD could drop 3 to 5% quickly. A mixed ruling means moderate strength with continued uncertainty. And if tariffs are upheld, expect CAD weakness as risk-off sentiment takes over. But here's the important caveat that most analysts are missing. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent himself said he expects a mishmash ruling. His exact words, quote, "What is not in doubt is our ability to continue collecting tariffs at roughly the same level." The administration has backup legal routes, so even if the headline is bullish for CAD, the follow-through might be more limited than expected. A single ruling from the Supreme Court is about to send shockwaves through global financial markets. We're talking stocks, currencies, bonds, gold, and commodities, all hanging in the balance. Billions of dollars are on the line. Traders around the world are positioning themselves. And if you don't understand what's about to happen, you could be on the wrong side of this move. Here's what you need to know. President Donald Trump imposed sweeping global tariffs using something called the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEEPA for short. Lower courts ruled in 2025 that these tariffs were issued illegally. But here's the catch. The tariffs stayed in place while the Trump administration appealed to the Supreme Court. Now, the Supreme Court is expected to issue its next rulings on January 14th. This is one of the most economically significant cases in recent history. There are 3 possible outcomes here. 1, tariffs are ruled completely illegal and rolled back. 2, a mixed ruling that sends the issue to Congress. 3, tariffs are fully upheld. Each scenario creates very different market reactions. Let's break them down asset by asset.